So as I was putting those other cleaning robots away, I discovered a couple more, which means there's probably even more that I've forgotten about. Anyway, this is a color variation of the Dustbot, which you can watch the other video to see how they operate. But found this little vacuuming robo, and they show it being offered in 3 colors, and it was quite expensive according to the sticker on the bottom. Here we go, $16.99. It's not, it doesn't even self-drive. You move it around by hand, but it does have a vacuum that sucks through here, so you would move this over your mess. And the on-off switch is on top of the head, if I can remember how to get the head off. And then to get the batteries in and clean out the garbage, you rotate and turn this. And one of these sides, this side, you put the, they said AA, but there's no way a AA would fit in there. It has to be AAA battery. It basically just runs a motor on this blower. So everything would get sucked up, blown, and can't go through that filter, so it would get collected down inside here. And I don't remember which way it goes together, like that. And then there's an arrow and a dot somewhere. Let's try turning it around again. There we go. So basically you just turn the blower on there and then drag that over your coffee crumbs. So this one's pretty worthless, but it is different. Here they, let's clean up those bagel messes. Lord forbid that you should take your hand or a napkin and just wipe those up. Here's a bottom description of everything. Here he is on the warpath, the Robo Vacuum. So nowhere near as advanced as the Tomy Dustbot, but it is a robot and it is a variation, so you had to see it.